ॐ ॐ शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। हरि ओम। Okay, let's start. I hope some practice has been done. Let's start together. Let's chant together, including the Shanti mantra up to where we stopped. Om तच्चयोरावृणीमहे गाति यज्ञाय गाति यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वञ्जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शञ्चतुष्पदे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो हृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठत् दशाङ्गुलम् पुरुष एवेदगं सर्वम् यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येशानः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो ज्यायागश्च पूरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादोर्ध्व उदैः पुरुषः पादोऽस्येहा भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराडजायत विराजो अधिपूरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमथो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्य सीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्म इद्म शरदविः सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः त्रिसप्तः समिधः कृताः देवायज्ञन्तन्वानाः अबद्धन् पुरुषं पशुं तं यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रोक्षन् पुरुषं जातमग्रतः तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः संभृतं वृषदाज्यम् पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि जग्निरे छन्दागुंसि जग्निरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एके चोभयादतः गावो हजग्निरे तस्मात् तस्माज्जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः प्रतिधा व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहू कावूरुपादा उच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यः कृतः. We stop there. Sorry. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So, shall we do each of us separately? Yeah. What do you say?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Who wants to start?
I'll try.
Yeah, try.
ॐ तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय ॐ तच्छंयोरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजम् शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् स भूमिं विश्वतो वृत्वा अच्छतिष्ठदशाङ्गुलम् पुरुष एवेदगं सर्वं यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उतामृतत्वस्येषानः यदन्नेनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो जायागश्च पुरुषः पादोऽस्य विश्वाभूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादूर्ध्व उदयत् पुरुषः पादोऽस्येह भवात् पुनः ततो विश्वन्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि तस्माद् विराडजायत विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अच्छरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमधो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यम् ग्रीष्मयुग्मस्य रद्धविः सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः
before I forget, because so this the other day we were discussing about the sha, the sibilants. I think did you see that video? I don't know. The sha, Shankara sha, Shanmukha sha, and then sa. So this Purusha, right? Grishma, those things. Maybe if you can take care of that, that will be good.
Okay.
Grishma, that Shanmukha sha. It is a Murdanya, right?
Yeah, Grishma.
And then Sashana, Nashane, I think there was a little bit of a. You have to go Sashana, Nashane, Abhi. Okay. Continue.
Okay. I'll start from the third one, from the beginning. Yat Purushena. Okay. Yat Purushena Havisha Deva Yajnamatanvata Vasanto Asya Sidajam.
One second. Vasanto, Vasa going down, both consecutive. Vasan. Yeah, you should chant as if the second one is still going down. Vasanto Asya. Okay. And then gap after Vasanto because
Vasanto.
there is a long Dirgha followed by another Swaraha.
So it is like Sa going further down, is it?
Right. Vasanto Asya.
To Asya Sidajam Grishma Idma Sharadhavihi.
Grishma Idma Sharadhavihi.
Grishma Idma Sharadhavihi. Saptasyasan Paridhayaha Trisapta Samidah Kruta Devaya Jagnam Tanvana.
If you can take care of the Anuswara rules also, that will be nice. Deva Yadyagnan Tanvana. Because many people think it is optional, but for as a convention, we do the Anuswara.
So this is the class I missed, right? I just learned it from the video. So first two I could correct that, but this one I'll do a little bit practice.
Even I have seen you are still saying Tacham only. You are saying, I think Tachai. You said Tacham, not
Tachai Yora Unim hai Gatui Yagnaya.
Tachai Yora Gatui Yagnaya. Still the Anuswaras Urdvam instead of Urdvam, Urdvanji Gatu. So
okay.
Okay, continue from.
Okay. Avadnan Purusham Pasum Tam Yagnam Barhiship.
Again, did anybody hear Pashum or Pashum?
Pashum.
Pashum.
So that
Pashum.
Pashum, correct. Pashum is right. Abadnan Purusham. Sha is again Shanmukha Sha. Pashum is Shankara Sha. Yeah, correct.
Tena Deva Ayajanta Sadhya Rashayaschaye Tasma
Sadhya Na Ra, let's say R, right? Sadhya Rashayaschaye. Gap after Sadhya because R is again a Swaraha. Sadhya Rashayaschaye.
Tasma Jagnat Sarvahutaha Sambhrutam Prashadajyam Vasugustaguschakreva Yavyana Aranyan Gramyaschaye Tasma Jagnat Sarvahutaha Ruchasamani Jagnire Chandagunsi Jagnire Tasmat Yajustasmadajayata Tasmadasva ajayanta Ekecho bhayadataha Kavo hajignire tasmat Tasmajata ajavayaha Yat purusham vyadaduhu Katidha vyakalpayan Mukham kimasya kau bahu
Mukham kimasya kau bahu. Mukhan.
Mukhan, yeah. Mukham kimasya kau bahu ka uru pada uchete.
Ka uru
pada uchete. Brahmanosya mukhamasit bahurajanya krutaha.
That ha should come totally. Brahmanosya
mukhamasit bahurajanya krutaha.
Yeah, perfect. But those things, the anuswaras, and wherever there's a conjunct consonant, the samyukta vyanjana, you have to take a little bit of a time to pronounce that and then move to the next one. Grishma idma sharad davihi saptasyasan paridayah. Like trisapta samidah krutah. It is a jiva mulya. After samidah, there is a visarga followed by ka, kr. Samidah krutah, samidah krutah.
Okay.
For others, what do you do? Okay, let's see one person can chant one mantra and see how it goes, and then we'll move on. Okay, let's see Prakash. Prakashji, try it.
Not today, sir. I'll do it on Saturday.
Okay.
I did not practice slokas 3, 4, and 5. That's why I want to do it.
You want to do the first one, Sahasra?
Yeah. Sahasra Shirsha Purushaha Sahasraksha Sahasrapat Sabhumin Vishvato Vrutva Atyatishta Dashangulam Purusha Yevedagum Sarvam
Atyatishta Dashangulam
Atyatishta Dashangulam
Atyatishta Dashangulam
Atyatishta Dashangulam Purusha Evedagum Sarvam
Sarvam. That Sarvam, Sar, Ra and Va are conjunct consonants. Sarvam.
Sarvam Yadbhutam Yachabhavyam
Yadbhutai Yachabhavyam
Yadbhutai Yachabhavyam Utamrutattva Sheshanaha Edanenatirohati
Tirohati
Edanenatirohati Etavanasya Mahima Ato Jayagasya Purushaha
Ato Jayagasya Purushaha. Go slow only. If you are slow, you will get it easily. Yeah.
Ato Jayagasya Purushaha Purushaha.
Like that. Shanti is chant the second mantra, Pados.
Padosya Vishwabhutani Tripadasyaamrutan Divi Tripadurdva Udair Purushaha
Tripadurdva Udair Purushaha
Tripadurdva Udair Purushaha Padosyeha Bhavat Punaha.
Okay, let's try this. Don't put any tune. Try this. Padosyeha Bhavat Punaha. Just say that. No, don't put any tune. Don't put any tune. Just normal say. How we talk, how generally talk. Just talk. Padosyeha bhavat punaha.
पादोस्येह भवान् पुनः
Louder, louder.
पादोस्येह भवान् पुनः
Bhavat punaha.
पुनः भवान्
Again, say it louder. Just say normally.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Again.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
So normally you're saying, normally no, don't put any tune. Padosyeha bhavat punaha.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Padosyeha bhavat punaha. Like that. Just stand normally.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Again.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Got it. You're getting it. You're there. So this is if you're don't go into the don't bother about melody or tune. Vedic chanting need not have to be, of course melody will come when people chant. Okay. I think if you get into the trap, we'll miss the words proper. Right? Now try it again.
Another thing, I think you're covering the mic with your book or paper, so that's why it's breaking.
Oh, is it?
It's automatically giving others for us.
I think my computer also is not so great.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Try it now. Now try Padosya. Now put the dirgha. Padosyeha bhavat punaha.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Yes. Continue. You got it. Right.
पादोस्येह भवात् पुनः
Yes.
विश्वं व्यक्रामत् शासनानशने अभि
Sashananashane abhi.
शासनानशने अभि तस्माद् विराट जायत
This is Tasmad Virada Jayata. The words Tasmad Virada Jayata. Right? Say that.
तस्माद् विराट जायत
Correct. Right? Now on Ma there is a Dirgha Swarita. Just put that. Tasmad Virada Jayata. That's it.
तस्माद् विराट जायत
Got it. That's it. Yeah. Continue.
तस्माद् विराट जायत
Ah,
विराजो अधिपुरुषः
yes. Continue.
सजातो अत्यरिच्यत
Ah,
भूमिगतो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा देवा यज्ञमतन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदाज्यं ग्रीष्म इद्म शरत्तविः सप्ताश्याशन् परितयः.
yeah, you did good up to that. Yeah, very good. That's nice. Saptasyasan paridayaha. Those are the words. Saptasyasan paridayaha. Right? So now we put sa down. Saptasyasan paridayaha. That's it. So repeat that twice.
सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः
Ha.
सप्तास्यासन् परिदयः
Got it. Yes. Right.
समिदः कृताः
Continue.
Deva
Deva yajnantan vanaha.
Deva yajnantan vanaha abadnan purusham pasham.
Purusha. Sha is Shanmukasha. Abadnan purusham pashum. Continue, finish up to, you can stop at Jatam Agratha. Tanyagne.
यज्ञं बर्हिषि प्रौक्षन्
प्रौक्षन्
पुरुषन् जातमग्रतः.
Good. Yes.
जातमग्रतः.
Nice. You're almost there. I think little bit of practice, you'll be there. Let's see. Tena deva. Sunita ji, do it.
तेन देवा अयजन्त साध्या ऋषयश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः सम्भृतं पृषदाज्यम् पशुगस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यान् आरण्यान् ग्राम्याश्च ये तस्मात् यज्ञात् सर्वहुतः ऋचः सामानि जज्ञिरे छन्दागुंसि जज्ञिरे तस्मात् यजुस्तस्मात् जायत
यजुस्तस्मादजायत
यजुस्तस्मादजायत तस्मादश्वा अजायन्त एके चोभयादतः गावो हजग्निरे तस्मात् जाता अजावयः यत्पुरुषं व्यददुः कथिता व्यकल्पयन् मुखं किमस्य कौ बाहु कावूरूपादा उच्येते
कावूरूपादा उच्येते
कावूरूपादा उच्येते ब्राह्मणोऽस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यः कृतः.
Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. Most of it was correct. Perfect. Just one or two. I think you learned from others' mistakes and you corrected all.
And I practiced a lot this week.
Oh, very good. I can see it. Okay. Krishnanji, where do you want to start? Start from Yat Purushena. That is after the second mantra here. Yeah.
Yat Purushena Havisha Deva Yajnamatanvata Vasanto Asya Sidajyam Grishma Idma Sharadhavihi Saptasya Sanparidhayaha Trisapta Samidah Kritah Devayadhyajñam tanvānāh avatnan purusham pashum.
Devayadhyajñam, that will be nice if we put that anuswara rule there. Yadhyajñam tanvānāh.
Devayadhyajñam tanvānāh.
Yadhyajñam tanvānāh.
But dhya is down, right?
Yeah, dry. I'm saying na. After on, there's anuswara on gnam, right? Gna.
Okay.
So after tha. Yadhyajñam na.
Devayadhyajñam tanvānāh abadnan purusham pashum tanyajñam barihishi prauchanne purusham jadamadgrataha tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayascha ye tasmādyajñāt
Tasmat yajnat sarvahutah.
Tasmād yajñāt sarvahutah sambhritan prusadadyam.
It is samvritam only. Because after that pa is there. Papa baba ma, right? Samvritam only.
Tasmād yajñāt sarvahutah sambhritam prusadadyam Pashugustaguscakre vayavyane aranyan gramyaschaye tasmād yajñāt sarvahutah richasamani jatnire chandagansi jatnire tasmād yajustasmādajayata tasmādashva ajayanta ye kecho bhayadatah gavo hajatnire tasmāat tasmāat jata ajavayah yat purusham vyadadhu
Yat purusham vyadaduhu.
yat purusham vyadadhu kathita vyakalpayan mukham kimasya kau bahu kavurupada vicchete brahmano-osya mukhamasit bahurajanyah kritah.
Brahma should totally pronounced complete. Brahmanosya mukhamasit.
Brahmanosya mukhamasit. But I have a question there. I've seen that all over the place. It is her before ma, right? But the pronunciation is her after ma. It is written as everywhere, right? It is Brahma or
Brahma.
Yeah, but ma comes after ha. But when you pronounce, ha comes after ma. You understand what I'm asking?
Yeah, it's as if ma is coming. Yes.
Yeah.
First, right?
I think that's how the pronunciation is.
So ha should come.
Ma
later.
should come. Yeah, correct. Ha should come later. Ma should come first in the pronunciation.
Even though it is written the other way around.
Yeah, even though it is written the other way around.
Okay, got it. Okay. Thank you.
Let's see. Kalyan, do from Tasmadashva. Starting from the fifth, I think. After the fourth one. Tasmadashva ajayanta.
Tasmadashva ajayanta ye kecho bhayadatah gavo hajagnire tasmat jata ajavayah yat purushan yadaduhu katida vyakalpayan katida vyakalpayan mukham kimasya kau bahu kavurupada vuchyete brahmanosya mukhamasit bahurajanyakritah.
Yeah. Shall we continue from Urutadasya? Urutadasya yadvaishah vadvyagam shudro ajayata. Kalyan, repeat twice for others, so that others.
Urutadasya yadvaishyah padvyagam shudro ajayata. Padvyagam shudro ajayata.
Correct.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः
Padvyagam.
पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत
Padvyagam Shudro Ajayata. Like that. Yeah. Right.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत.
Yeah. Prakash, you want to do this?
Yeah. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha.
Uru. Who is going down? Uru.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha. Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Again.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha. Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Can you put more voice into it? Be louder and see how it comes.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha. Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Again.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha. Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Padvyagam Shudro Ajayata.
Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Shudro. It is dro da ra, right?
No.
It's a conjunct samyukta akshara, samyukta vyanjana, da and ra, repa. So Shudro. Take a time at du. Shudro. Before you release it, da. Shudro Ajayata.
Shudro ajayata.
And after Shudro is a O, is it? Dirghas Swaraha. Take a little bit of a pause after that, because A is coming after that. Okay.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha.
Edvaishyaha. Edvaishyaha.
Yadvaishyaha. Padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Got it. Shanti ji, do it.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagam sudro ajayata. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagam sudro ajayata.
Swaras were right. Again, don't bother about melody or tune. Just the words. Think of it. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagam shudro ajayata. Those are the words. So now we put a little bit of the swara. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagam shudro ajayata. Again.
Vaishyaha padvyagam shudro ajayata. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagam shudro ajayata.
There is a problem with the audio, I think, with it. Maybe the laptop. There is a break in the voice. Krishnan ji, do it.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagum shudro ajayata. Padvyagum shudro ajayata. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagum shudro ajayata.
Ajayata, that's it. No visarga after ajayata. Ajayata, that's it. Do it again.
Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha padvyagum shudro ajayata. ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत.
You corrected. Sunita.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत. ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत.
Again. Uru tadasya
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत.
Again.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागं शूद्रो अजायत.
Right. Hindi version.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत. ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत.
Maybe because of the habit, you are saying Vaisya, right? Because in most in the AP we say Vaisya, Vaishya, Sha, Shankara Sha.
यद्वैश्यः वैश्यः.
I think you're putting Saraswati Sa instead of Sha there. Uru tadasya yadvaishyaha. Try it again.
ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः ऊरु तदस्य यद्वैश्यः पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत. पद्भ्यागुं शूद्रो अजायत.
Shudro ajayata. Yeah, pass after Shudro. Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata. Chaksho suryo ajayata. Kalyan.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
In the world.
चंद्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत. चंद्रमा मनसो जातः चक्षो सूर्यो अजायत.
Prakash, you wanted to?
Yeah. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Everything, it sounded as if everything was flat. No. So Kalyan, what should be the correction for this? Or should Prakash ji do?
Yeah, the ja should go down actually.
Chandrama was right?
No, yeah, Chandrama also should go down because everything looked like flat. Cha is down, ma is down, and ja is down. Coming flat. They have to actually go lower.
And na is up. Manaso jataha. Try that. First, just say Chandrama. Just say that.
Chandrama.
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 Chandra.
Chandrama.
No. Chandra.
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 Chandrama.
Chandrama.
Chandrama. Manaso.
Chandrama. Manaso.
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 Mana.
Manaso.
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 Chandrama. Mana.
Chandrama. Manaso.
Chandrama. Mana.
Chandrama. Manaso.
Just say mana. Chandrama. Mana.
Chandrama. Mana.
Chandrama. Manaso.
Chandrama. Manaso.
Chandrama. Manaso. Jataha.
Chandrama. Manaso. Jataha.
Manaso ja. Manaso ja.
Chandrama. Manaso. Jataha.
Just say this. Manaso ja.
Manaso ja.
Manaso ja.
Manaso ja.
Chandrama. Manaso jataha.
Chandrama. Manaso jataha.
Manaso.
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 Manaso jataha.
Manaso jataha.
Manaso jataha.
Manaso jataha.
Try it again. Chandrama. Manaso jataha.
Jataha.
Again.
Chandrama. Manaso jataha.
Chaksho. Chaksho.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Just say this. Suryo.
Suryo.
Chaksho suryo.
Chaksho suryo.
Again.
Chaksho suryo.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Right. Ajayata flat. That is correct. Suryo ajayata.
Suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Getting it. Yes. Now complete Chandrama again.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chandrama. Chandrama.
Chandrama.
Cha is down. Ma is down.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Again.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Got it. Yeah. Shanti ji. Shanti ji.
You're on
mute. Shanti ji, do it.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Again, without the tune or anything, raga. Chandrama manaso jataha. Just say that.
Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Now, Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Right now?
Suryo ajayata.
Chandrama.
Chandrama manaso jataha. Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata. Chaksho Suryo Ajayata.
Suryo, a little bit of a gap, pass. Suryo Ajayata. Sunita.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Again, once more.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chandrama manaso jataha.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Chaksho suryo ajayata.
Once more.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Can you be little? Can you raise your voice? Like think that you are scolding. Somebody. Not Sureshji. Okay, little raise your voice a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Again.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Perfect. Krishnanji. Krishnanji, you did this?
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
You can be a little louder. Once do it louder a little bit.
Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata. Chandrama manaso jataha chaksho suryo ajayata.
Like how the pujaris to the top of their voice. That you need to learn to do that. Mukhadindraschagnischa. Mukhadindraschagnischa. Pranadvayurajayata. Pranadvayurajayata. Nabhya asidantariksham. Nabhya asidantariksham. 3 lines. Kalyan.
Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayat nabhya asidantariksham. Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayat nabhya asidantariksham.
Hindi word.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायता नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम् मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायता नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Can you be a little louder?
Yeah. मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायता नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम् मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Yes. Prakashji, right. Kha is going down. Mukha is going down, right? Like
Mukhadindrascha agnischa pranadvayurajayata nabhya asidantariksham.
try it again.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa. Mukhadindrascha agnischa. And from the Mukham, Indra and Agni came forth from the Virat Purusha's Mukham. The mouth.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa. Is that correct? Mukhadindrascha.
Indrascha agnischa. If you split it, Indrascha agnischa. Indrascha agnischa.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa.
So when you're putting the cha, right? Mukhadindrascha agnischa. Agnischa. Because Indrascha agnischa.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa pranadvayurajayata.
Say that pranadvayurajayata.
Pranadvayurajayata.
Don't put any tune. Don't put any just say pranadvayurajayata.
Pranadvayurajayata.
Just normally. Say normally. Pranadvayurajayata.
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 Now surprise down. Pranadvayurajayata. Pranadvayurajayata. Try that.
Pranadvayurajayata.
That's it. Don't put any melody or tune. Don't try it. It will come later. Right. Just say the words properly.
Mukhadindrascha agnischa pranadvayurajayata.
You are good. Yes, that's how you have to learn. Yes. Again.
Asidantariksham.
Nabhya.
Asidantariksham.
Asi, da is going down. Nabhya asidantariksham.
Nabhya asidantariksham.
Dantariksham.
Nabhya asidantariksham. Asidantariksham.
Again try. Nabhya.
Nabhya asidantariksham. Nabhya asidantariksham.
Yeah. Krishnanji.
Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayata nabhya asidantariksham. Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayata nabhya asidantariksham.
Perfect. Sunita.
Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayata nabhya asidantariksham. Mukhadindraschagnischa pranadvayurajayata nabhya asidantariksham.
Put some more energy into it. Like Mukhadindraschagnischa agnischa. Linger on that a little bit. Right again.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च
Continue.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत.
Pranadva. Before you leave that pranadva, pranadvayurajayata. See that.
प्राणाद्वायुरजायत. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Because pranadva, right? Da and va, samyukta vyanjana. So take your time to, before you release that, before that va comes, linger under da. Pranadvayurajayata. Then that gives a nice bit of sama. Try it again.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Nabhya, little bit of a pause, yes. Nabhya asidantariksham.
नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Shantiji did it? No, you didn't do it? Okay, I thought it was. Okay, right. Try. Louder.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्. मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Nabhya asidantariksham.
नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्. आसीदन्तरिक्षम्. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Try it again, all the three. Mukhadindraschagnischa. Just say that. Mukhadindraschagnischa. Pranadvayurajayata. Nabhya asidantariksham. Nabhya separate. Nabhya asidantariksham. Actually, if you split it, it will be asit antariksham. If you combine the sandhi, asidantariksham. Da. Okay. Like that. Try it again.
मुखादिन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च प्राणाद्वायुरजायत. नाभ्या आसीदन्तरिक्षम्.
Practice it. Nabhya asidantariksham.
नाभ्या
asidantariksham. Asidantariksham. Combine. Not do it.
नाभ्या
again. Nabhya
Nabhya.
5 times you said. 5 times. Nabhya. Just Nabhya.
Nabhya. Nabhya. Nabhya. Nabhya. Nabhya. Nabhya.
Now do it.
Abhya asidantariksham. Abhya asidantariksham.
There. So practice it. Shirshnodyau samavartata. Shirshnodyau samavartata. Padbhyam bhumirdishashrotrat. Tatha lokagum akalpayan. Shirshnodyau samavartata. Padbhyam bhumirdishashrotrat. Tatha lokagum akalpayan. Kalyan, do it.
शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागम् अकल्पयन् शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागम् अकल्पयन्
Shirshno, yeah, okay. That's Shanmukasha. Shirshno, Ana.
शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशश्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागम् अकल्पयन्
Indiva.
शीर्ष्ण्योद्यौ समवर्त शीर्ष्ण्योद्यौ समवर्तत
Shirshno. No only. No. Is it now? Is that?
Shirshno.
No. Shirshno.
Shirshnodyau samavartata.
Coming as no. Should be NO no. It is coming NOW now.
It is coming. I'm hearing it as now. Shirshno.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just
Shirshno.
No.
Shirshno.
Almost there.
It's not.
Shirshno jo samavartata. Shirshno jo samavartata. You still hearing now?
Yes.
Maybe this is how you're used to it.
After no, you are just without breaking that, you are lowering the voice. That's why it's becoming now.
Okay. Okay. Let
Just
me
say
try.
no. That's it. Instead of now.
Shirshno.
Shirshno. Shirshno samavartata padbhyam bhumirdishashrotrat tadha lokagan akalpayan Shirshno samavartata padbhyam bhumirdishashrotrat tadha lokagam akalpayan.
It is tha. Tatha.
Tadha lokagum akalpayan.
Many people say dha. Tadha. I think
Tha.
some people say like tha. Tatha.
Yeah, there's a dot in the stomach. Patla chukka.
In Telugu, you're saying? Okay. Tatha. Okay. Prakash, right?
Shirshnodyau samavartata padbhya bhumirdishashrotrat tata lokagum akalpayan. Shirshnodyau samavartata padbhya bhumirdishashrotrat तथा लोकागुम अकल्पयन्
She going down, right? Shishno.
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 Shishnodhyo.
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 Samavartata. Samavartata.
Samavartata.
Shishnodhyo samavartata.
Shishnodhyo samavartata. Vartata.
Samavartata.
Samavartata.
Samava.
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 Samavartata. Sama.
Rama.
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 Sama.
Sama.
Sama. Samavartata.
Samavartata.
Shirshnodhyau samavartata.
Shishnodhyo samavartata.
Don't have to stop after sama. No gap. Immediately take va. Samavartata.
Shishnodhyo samavartata.
Again, ma, you're missing that ma again, upper swara, swarita. Samavartata.
Samavartata.
Practice it. Padyam bhumirdisha shrotrate.
Padyam. Padya bhumirdisha.
Padyam.
Padyam bhumirdisha srotrat.
Shrotrat.
Srotrat.
Shrotra.
Srotrat.
Shrotrat.
Srotrat.
Again, Padyam.
Padyam bhumirdisha srotrat.
Bhumirdisha.
Srotrat.
Just complete. Just do this twice. Bhumirdisha.
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 Bhumirdisha Shrotraat.
Bhumirdisha Srotrat. Bhumirdisha Srotrat.
Tatha lokagam akalpayan.
Tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Tatha lo. Tatha lo.
Tatha lokagum.
Tatha lokagam akalpayan.
Tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Again.
Tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Krishna ji.
Shishnodhyau samavartata. Padbhyam bhumirdisha shrotraat. Tadha lokagum akalpayan. Shishnodhyau samavartata. Padbhyam bhumirdisha shrotraat. Tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Sunita ji.
शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशस्त्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन्. शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशस्त्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागुम् अकल्पयन्.
I heard padbyam only. No, I didn't see the pa going down. Padbyam.
Padbyam. Padbyam.
Bhumirdisha.
Padbyam bhumirdisha. Bhumirdisha srotrat. Padbyam bhumirdisha srotrat. Tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Tatha.
Lokagum akalpayan.
Again do it. Shirshno.
Shirshnodyau samavartata padbyam bhumirdisha strotrat tatha lokagum akalpayan.
Take your time after each. Shirshno. You are saying Shirshnodyau. After Shirshno, a little bit. You can take your time. Shirshnodyau. Samavartata.
Shirshnodyau samavartata.
Yes.
Shirshnodyau samavartata padbyam bhumirdisha strotrat tatha lokagum akalpayan.
I think I'm hearing da. Tatha. I think.
Tatha.
No. Tatha.
Okay.
Shanti.
श्रीश्रोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः श्रोत्रात् तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्. शीर्ष्णो.
No, she, only she. Shirshno.
शीर्ष्णोद्यौ समवर्तत पद्भ्यां भूमिर्दिशः स्तोत्रात् तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्.
तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्.
तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्. तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्.
तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्. If you say that.
तथा लोकागम अकल्पयन्.
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 Like that. Next one. Vedahametam purusham mahantam adityavarnantamasastu pare sarvani rupani vichityadiraha namani kritva bhivadana yadaste. Vedahametam purusham mahantam adityavarnantamasastu pare sarvani rupani vichityadiraha namani kritva bhivadana yadaste. We'll have only Kalyan try it because we have only 8 more minutes. Try.
वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदन् यदास्ते वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदन् यदास्ते.
Two things. Sarvani, ana. It is a murdanya, right? Ana. Ni, not na. Tata dadana. It is
ana.
Sarvani, rupani.
Yeah.
Then namani kritva bivadana. Little gap. Namani kritva bivadana. It is going down. Namani kritva bivadana yadaste.
Okay, let me try again.
Hindi word,
sorry?
Your chance is up.
Okay. Try. You want to try once?
Okay, you are try.
It's okay. We have 2 more minutes. Okay, try. After you, I'll go.
Okay. वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसस्तु पारे सर्वाणि रूपाणि विचित्य धीरः नामानि कृत्वा विवदन्.
Namani kritva bivadana. Kapas. Bivadana.
Namani kritva bivadana.
In my audio also I made a mistake. I think I should delete that. I sent you right to the group. I said namani kritva abhivadanu. I said, what is the difference? Can you say, anybody?
Yeah, it is A is introduced between Twa and B.
Because the avagraha we don't have to pronounce A. Yeah. Right? So namani kritva bhivadana. That's it. Bhivadana.
Namani kritva bivadana yadaste.
Some people say bivadanu. That also wrong. Bivadanu. Namani kritva bhivadana. Because dana going down, right? So consecutive little lower.
Okay. Try?
Right.
Okay. Vedahametam purusham mahantam adityavarnam tamasastu pare sarvani rupani vichitya dhiraha namani krutva bhivadano yadaste. Vedahametam purusham mahantam Adityavarnam tamasastu pare.
Adityavarnam tamasastu pare.
Adityavarnam tamasastu pare. Sarvani rupani vichitya dhira.
Sarvani
rupani vichitya dhiraha. Namani krutva bhivadana yadaste. Namani krutva bhivadana yadaste.
The second time I think got bhivadana. It was okay, good. So it's almost only 4 minutes. This will you practice. I think we'll see. To practice, I think we'll get it.
Chandrasekhar, I don't think I got that audio. Did you send it to the same group?
Yeah. I think I did up to Abiba. I think I have to delete that. I'll send that again because that mistake should not be there. I did it by mistake. It should be Namani Kritva, just B1. Yeah, it was there in the group. I think that day I sent 3 files.
You sent last week, not this week.
Last week, not this week. Yeah,
okay, thank you.
I will send that again. Oh, it's 2 more minutes. So we don't have time for meaning. But anyway, what we are seeing is the Srishti Prakriya, right? Even though Srishti is cyclic, just to present that Mithyatvam of the universe, the Rishi is presenting the Prakriya, the Srishti, the Bhautika Srishti, Adhyatmika Srishti, then Adhaivika Srishti, right? Adhyatmikam is body, is sense organs, everything. This Srishti is being described. And then the macrocosmic level also, Adhaivika Srishti. Right? And then the Adi Bhautika, the surroundings around us. Right? That Srishti is also being described as a form of a yajna, as a visualization only, as a mental yajna. It is not physically being done as a karma, right? As a mental yajna being done. So that we'll see everything, how the Mukhadindrascha Agnischa, how the Agni and Indra is coming from the mouth, right? So in Tattva Bodha also we have seen the Srishti Prakriya, how the subtle Panchabhutas and then the gross Panchabhutas come, and out of that the Karmendriyas, how the Sukshma Jnanendriyas are created, right? All that you've seen in Tattva Bodha also. So, and then we see how from the Mukham, the Brahmanosya Mukhamas, from the face of the Lord, the so-called the 4 Varnas, how they have been created, the social order, right? But the social harmony, how they are created. In the 4th chapter also we have seen, right? You remember that verse? Chaturvarnyam maya shrishtam guna karma vibhagashah tasya kartaram apimam vidyak kartaram avyayam. Right? So I have created these 4 varnas, he says. So same in Purusha Suktam it is there. So there same Gita repeats, Krishna repeats. Varnas, right? Different. The so-called abused, most misunderstood concept, Varna Vyavastha, right? The Varna Vyavastha. But how it has, Shankaracharya, how he gives a nice, in his Bhashyam, how the gunas, how it is divided as per the gunas, as per our swabhava, sattva, rajas, tamas. If sattva is predominant and followed by rajas and tamas, it is the Brahmin, is a guna brahmana, right? How if rajas is predominant followed by sattva, tamas, it is kshatriya, right? And then how if rajas is predominant followed by tamas, mostly selfish, that guna, it is not based on your jati, it's just by guna and your karma. Guna karma vibhagasha, that's what Krishna says. It's not at all jati. It is a nice social order based on your inclination, your aptitude. Right? And then so we have knowledge leaders, we have the think tank, and then we have the wealth creators, the Vaishyas, and then the infrastructure creators, and the one who takes care of the law and order, the Kshatriyas. And then the large majority of us who have to, if everybody is a leader, who are the followers? Somebody has to follow somebody. Otherwise it will be ugly, right? Somebody has to perform. So from how the feet is important, the feet carries people. So he says, Pado, right? From the Pada, how the Shudras come. And again he says, from the Pada, the earth has come. So how the importance, every limb of the body is important, right? So that we'll see more. Right? And then one more thing, since we are in the first few mantras you have seen, right? Ato Jayagascha Purushaha Pado Ostya Vishwa Bhutani Tripadasya Amrutam Divi Tripado Udait Purushaha. And same thing. Atyatishtat Dashangulam. He extends, he transcends. You see, same here in the Krishna in the 4th chapter. It is, I have created this, but then I am not really the creator. He says. He says, I am the creator of these 4 varnas, the social order, the so-called. But then I am not a karta. See, those two are not related at all. In the shloka, he says, I have created this 4 varna, the social order, for the social harmony. But then I am really not the creator. He says, I am akarta. What you are seeing is only mithya. Same atyatishta dashangula. So he says, it's just a drama. Okay? For him, it's just a drama. But for us, we take it totally serious. And then we get into samsara. For him, it's just a drama. I am not the creator at all, he says. It's all a mithya prapancha. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Oh, where is Shantiji left? Okay.
I think she sent a message, she got disconnected.
Okay. Any questions, comments? Okay.
Well.
Comments?
All is well.
I said good. How is it going? How is the pace? I think if you practice, those who have started fresh, or those who don't have any experience before, practice. I think you're almost getting it. Shantiji didn't have any experience in Vedic chanting, but you're getting into that mold now. So just don't put any tune to it. Just say the words, and then don't bother about melody. Just practice. Same with Prakashji also. Just say the words separately, and then just put the swara. You will get it. Practice. Any advice to others, from others to others? That's it. Okay.
I have to do
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet, asato ma sadgamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Hari Om. Thank you.
See you on Saturday.
Yeah.
Hari Om.
Thank you, Chandrasekhar. Hari Om.